Today, you're going to learn how to file your UK self-assessment tax return online using ChatGPT as your personal tax assistant. I'll walk you through the process step by step and show you the exact prompts you can type into ChatGPT to understand any confusing part of the HMRC form. This guide is perfect for beginners, freelancers, sole traders, and anyone doing their tax return for the first time. Before you begin, make sure you have your HMRC login details, your unique taxpayer reference, and your income and expense records for the year. If you're not sure what documents you need, simply ask ChatGPT using the first prompt I'll show you. Once you're ready, open ChatGPT and type this prompt. Act as a UK tax assistant. I'm preparing to file my self-assessment tax return online. Create a simple checklist of the documents and information I need before I start. ChatGPT will instantly list everything you need in an organised and clear way, so you don't miss anything when filling in the form. Now, log into your HMRC account, go to your self-assessment section and start your tax return. Keep ChatGPT open in another tab. Anytime you reach a section you don't understand, copy the heading from HMRC and paste it into this prompt. I'm on the HMRC self-assessment online form. Explain this section in simple terms. Self-employment, allowable expenses. Tell me what information HMRC expects here with an example. For example, let's say you open the self-employment allowable expenses section. Just paste that into ChatGPT and it will explain that HMRC wants you to list your business expenses such as travel, tools, software, and office costs. It will even give you sample numbers so you know exactly what that section is asking for. ChatGPT can also help you organise your income and expenses before entering them into HMRC. You can type, "Help me organise my income and allowable business expenses for my UK tax return. Ask me questions first, then create a simple summary I can copy into HMRC." This turns a messy list of receipts into a clean report you can use right away. Once all income and expenses are filled in, ChatGPT can help you double-check your work. Use this prompt. List the most common mistakes beginners make when filing a UK self-assessment online. Make me a quick checklist so I can review my answers before submitting. This helps avoid HMRC penalties and ensures your return is accurate. After completing the form, review the summary, confirm your totals, and submit the return. You'll instantly see whether you owe tax or are due a refund. Once you finish, ask ChatGPT for this. Create a simple monthly routine I can follow to stay organised for next year's self-assessment. This ensures tax season becomes easier every year. And that's it. Filing your UK tax return becomes much simpler when ChatGPT guides you section by section. Use these prompts, follow each step carefully, and always confirm important details with HMRC if you're unsure. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with, so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.